Candida Mary Doyle is a keyboard player and occasional backing vocalist with the band Pulp, which she joined in 1984. She joined her brother, drummer Magnus Doyle, in the lineup, replacing a previous keyboard player who had left the band. Doyle attended piano lessons from age 8 but did not practice despite finding the experience enjoyable. At age 16, Doyle was diagnosed with arthritis. During Doyle's first few years in the group, Pulp were not enjoying financial success. She has been recorded as saying that she spent more money on the band than she made from it. She kept jobs in 2 toy shops in Manchester before being sacked from one for a lack of dedication. Although Pulp sort of split up in the period around 1986, they went on to release Freaks in 1987 with Doyle on board for her first album. When playing live with the band, Doyle has used Farfisa Compact Professional and Roland XP10 synthesizers as well as Akai S3000 samplers. Other artistic members of her family include her mother Sandra Vo, an actress who has appeared in Coronation Street, and 2 musician brothers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.